Hello there, and welcome back to another exciting video. If you stick with me for the next 10 minutes or so, I'll not only show you how to do it, but I'll also show you how to grow it and start making even more money. You don't need a website, you don't need a credit card, and you can do it from anywhere in the globe. And this is going to be one of the most interesting videos you've ever seen on how to make money on the internet. So without further ado, let's get started. In this video, I will show you how to make money online in free PayPal Money. It is a fast and easy method to earn passive income. You can start producing money right away with this free website that I'm about to explain to you, and you can put it up on autopilot to create even more revenue. Not only that, but you'll discover how to improve your productivity and maybe earn more money. So make sure to watch the video until the end. But first, don't forget to like this video and let me know in the comment section if you enjoy learning new money-making strategies so that I may continue to share new ways to make money online. By producing somewhere between $500 and $1,000 in passive revenue, I'll show you how to get started making money with this website, creativelive.com. Please stay with me while I go over everything with you in this video. In case you're wondering, Creative Live is a company that offers a wide range of training and courses. I can see that there are many other types of classes available in the classes section of this website, such as business photography and Adobe cameras, as well as drawing classes, logo design, and many others. Customers have a wide selection of lessons to pick from. In general, what we will do is promote our website as a location to buy and sell various courses offered by various expert teachers by directing others to it, despite the fact that this is a completely free solution that does not require any money input. This opportunity and website, which is really legitimate, could benefit a large number of individuals. The fact that you can make money online by referring individuals to all of these programs, as well as having a nice time while learning a lot on this website, makes it a win-win situation. Scroll down to the very bottom right of the page and look for this category to get to the website's homepage. You should click on this link if you want to become an affiliate with us. That takes you to the page where you can learn about affiliate program and how you can earn money by delivering high-quality content to your target audience. For a variety of reasons, you can't help but appreciate and enjoy creativelive.com. It's because they give you a hefty 30% part of the profits, which is one of the reasons for this. 30% is a lot of money in the world of the internet, and they do have a lot of seminars and courses that you can promote. It's incredibly versatile and offers a wide range of income opportunities. Another reason I enjoy the affiliate program is that your affiliate links will be tracked for a period of 30 days. After setting up for a free account with their affiliate network, you can start receiving your unique affiliate links and advertising them to earn commissions. You can get money on all purchases made by your referred customer within 30 days of the first click, in addition to the first 30%. Let's imagine you're now offering these types of courses, such as photography foundations, and you can see that the pricing is $30. We may say a profit of 30% on the first $30, which is your initial front-end commission. Furthermore, you may still be compensated if your suggested customers opt to purchase this course, for example, or other courses in the music or audio category, or just go on to purchase any other courses within 30 days of your recommendation. Isn't it just insane? Many clients return to our website and make further purchases after enjoying and learning a lot from the quality of the instruction, according to my own personal experience and observations. The Creator Pass is currently on sale for $50 off, which you can see here. It's a New Year's savings, limited time offer, and you can only receive $50 off today. But before we continue, don't forget to like this video, click on the subscribe button, and hit the notification bell to get notified whenever I post a new and exciting videos about earning new money-making strategies online. Now is the best moment to promote various classes on creativelive.com because they're running a substantial discount right now. If sponsored visitors click on your affiliate links, I'll show you a few strategies to acquire free traffic that will result in a huge number of individuals purchasing these courses through your link, and you'll make a lot of money. As a result, keep your eyes open and you concentrate on the task at hand. Because this website is a global opportunity, you can take advantage of it no matter where you are in the world. And it's something I'd like to talk to you about right now. All you have to do is sign up for the affiliate program, which is completely free. If you click the sign up button, you'll be taken to this page. So now you can go down and learn more about the affiliate program, which consists of around 30% on the front end and a 30-day cookie for tracking purposes. You can simply input your username, password, and country in this part after arriving to the bottom of this page, and then continue to finalize your registration by entering your password. It's actually rather easy to do, and it just takes about 5 minutes to finish. Please allow me to show you a few of the most likely ratios that may be found on the web. You'll be taken to this page after clicking on courses and then all classes, where you'll see a total of 1,899 classes from which you can send free traffic to a certain online class. As you'll see, this is where the second issue arises. If they enjoy it on this website, many of your consumers or traffic will go on to purchase all of these online classes since they are on sale at a great discount. And many people will love them and make a purchase and receive a commission right away because they are on sale at such a low price. So if I go to this page and select Fundamentals of Photography, I can watch a video, check out the actual price, read all of the information including pricing structure and user feedback. I've shown you a variety of free traffic techniques for encouraging people to buy from your affiliate links, including Adobe Photoshop, which has a large number of clients who are eager to start learning about photo editing right now. Twitter is now a great way to generate a lot of free traffic while also making a lot of money. All you have to do now is join up for a free Twitter account. Twitter has evolved into a social media platform in its own right. Because a lot of individuals come here to ask a lot of questions, they might get a lot of targeted traffic from those who want to learn Adobe Photoshop. When you go to Adobe Photoshop, for example, just type in a keyword and then click the search box down below. What is the best way to learn Photoshop? This is a question that a lot of people are asking. In Adobe Photoshop, how do you utilize it? For example, right now, there is a person who knows how to use Adobe Photoshop. I recently spent $60 for a program that I had no idea how to use correctly. Guess what? There are a lot of people that are interested in learning more about Adobe Photoshop. They're just looking for a way to learn more about it. Because they're all highly targeted visitors, you don't have to spend any money on any of them. This strategy can be used by another well-known website to make a lot of money. Visitors to Quora, like our Twitter strategy, provide a lot of free recommendations and commissions. You can go ahead and search on Quora, go to the search box and type in certain phrases like how to be more productive, since they do have these types of seminars on creativelive.com. The trick to capturing a variety of fish is to use a large net. A few examples include self-improvement, entrepreneurship, photography, money, and finances, to name a few. To promote various Photoshop classes and photography tips, you may use Twitter, or you can just look for people who are interested in financial and self-improvement issues on Quora. As a result, you'll be able to expand your horizon and reach out to a wider audience. The vast majority of people are interested in graphic design, and you can simply persuade them to take a range of classes in the field. You may see your graphic design, logo design, and other work in the art and design section. The income potential ratio is almost limitless. It was free, open to everyone on the planet, and offered a wide range of classes and categories to choose from. And that wraps it up. That is how to make money online and free people money. I hope you found this video helpful. Please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to the channel with notifications turned on so you won't miss any part of the video. I appreciate your undivided attention and I hope to see you on the next one.